This trade made me a 1:5 risk to reward ratio. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how I caught it, and so that you can learn how to identify the same setup, the same pattern that I use whenever it appears on the chart. We are Bevgrass, and we are dedicated to teach young people Forex and master Forex trading. So let's get started. We all know that gold has been bearish today, but there is something that most traders miss. But now, since you now have the idea that gold is selling, how do you enter? Because this has been today's price action, right? There is no clue of what to trade from. Mainly looking for the 1 hour time frame. But don't forget, anytime you're on this situation, all you need to do is to go to a lower time frame, because now we know that price is harshly bullish, that is going down like this. What happens on the lower time frame is that the lower time frame is in line with the higher time frame. So there are other blocks, there are structures in the lower time frame that we ought to follow. Now this is today price action. Of course, price used this order block from the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, this was the supply area that price used. So here is like a protected level for today. Okay, so we have been seeing series of lower lows and lower highs. This was an order block price used, expecting that price was going to come to this region, of which price failed to. Right, price failed to. Now we move further, because we're not going to remain there. We saw how price swept this particular liquidity. Okay, this was a sweep in liquidity. That means here is another protected level for today. That means, what it means is that price will not be interested to go up here, because liquidity has been collected, and that this liquidity that has been collected will be the one to fuel price downwards. Okay, and also don't forget, you should know where price is going to. We know where price is coming from. Okay, now we know where price, we should know where price is going to. Okay, all right, so we kindly, what we want to see is structure, right? Structure, we just want to follow the structure of price. This is what price has been doing. This is what price has been doing. Price was supposed to come out to take this liquidity and react on this other block, but it failed to. And then we had a break of structure. Remember, a break of structure is a continuation in trend, so we are not interested in this area again. And then we move down. Moving downwards, we then see something around there. Okay, there's something so sweet around there. This was an order block. Okay, let's use the 1 minute time frame. Perfect. Now this 1 minute time frame defines it more than the 5 minutes time frame. Now this is an order block, right? It had a valid order block. It had a sweep. It broke structure twice, 1, 2, and then came down. Okay, so after that, where do you think the next order block should be? The next order block should be around here. Okay, that's where the next order block should be. Now we have an inducement, that is liquidity that price should take. We have break of structure, multiple break of structures. This is 1, this is 2, okay, and this is 3. So this particular setup is like a big shark, because there's a lot of liquidity now here. Since above here, price took out liquidity and has fuel price to this particular point, we had our first OB touch, and after that first OB we should be taking the next OB closest to it. Okay, and then we had this first tap coming down. So what they wanted to do was to still take the liquidity inducing bias. This is why your stop loss has to be what reasonable. So likely this was how I entered my trade. Okay, I didn't expect price, honestly I didn't expect price to come to take out this one here. I always preach about giving your stop losses breathing space. Okay, don't tight your stop loss because of spread and all things like this. So this is what I did. Okay, and targeted the sell side liquidity. Okay, so price first of all tagged me in on this guy here, on this level here, and then induced twice. So once I saw this sweep, I knew that okay, price was going to continue to its direction. So we see how price moved sharply. You see this sharp drop, because why? A lot of inducements has been taken here already. Okay, so that is it about it. Don't forget that one of the most important thing when trading with order block is you understand liquidity. Okay, is the liquidity enough to take price to the next direction? And don't forget to don't over tight your stop loss. Always give space for price, because price may come and take you out as an inducement, use you as an inducement to fuel the next move. All right, so that is it about this video. If you found value in this video, like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.